So students, in this video I'll tell you about hard disk. A hard disk, also called a hard disk drive, that is HDD, is a storage device that contains one or more inflexible circular platters that use magnetic particles to store data, instructions and information. What is a hard disk? It is also known as HDD, that is hard disk drive. It is a storage device, you know it very well. It contains one or more flexible circular platters, means the inside structure of the hard disk, I'm telling you, inflexible circular platters that use magnetic particles to store data. There we are storing data. That hard disk is using or storing the data in that magnetic particles, data, instructions and information. Desktop and laptop often contain at least one hard disk. It is obvious the entire hard disk is enclosed in an airtight sealed case, that you can see on your screen. That is a airtight case, contain at least airtight case, or we can say sealed case, to protect it from contamination, okay, from moisture. A hard disk that is mounted inside the computer case is sometimes called a fixed disk because it is not portable. We cannot carry it anywhere. It is fixed inside the computer. Now, characteristics of a hard disk. Hard disk is a read-write storage media, that is, you can read from and write on a hard disk. Means you can read whatever is inside your computer, you can open any of the application, you can open your saved file, you can read easily, as well as you can type the new things in MS Word or in any of the applications. So that is a read-write storage media, that is, you can read from and write on a hard disk any number of times, means any time or repeatedly you can do that task. Before any data can be read from or written on a hard disk, the disk must be formatted. See, there are three main points: formatting, partition, defragmentation of hard drive. All the three you need to understand. First, I'll tell you about the formatting. What is formatting? Again, I'm repeating one line. Before any data can be read from or written on a hard disk, the disk must be formatted. Now, see, what is formatting? Formatting is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors so that the operating system can store and locate data and information on the hard disk. What is formatting? It is a process. In that process, we are dividing the disk into tracks and sectors. As you can see, that is the platter of hard disk, and sectors and tracks you can understand with the help of image. So dividing the disk into tracks and sectors so that the operating system can store and locate data and information on the disk. A track is a narrow recording band that forms a full circle on the surface of the hard disk. The disk storage locations consist of pie-shaped sections. That is, pie-shaped area is known as section. So it, or we can say sectors. So pie-shaped sections which break the tracks into small arcs called sectors. Okay. Now, what is partition of the hard disk? See, after the formatting is complete, the hard disk can be divided into separate areas called partitions. Okay, by issuing a special operating system command. Each partition functions as if it were a separate hard disk drive. Means a full partition, it will work as a separate hard disk drive. Like you can see, there is written DC. These are the drives. So these are the partition of the hard disk. As you can see in your computers, drive C, that is having all the application programs. Drive D, we store something particularly in drive D. Drive E. Okay, so these are the partitions. Issuing a special operating system command, each partition functions as if it were a separate hard disk drive. Partitioning often is performed to make hard disk more efficient, means faster. Partition is done just because to make it faster, to enhance the efficiency. Okay, or to allow you to install multiple operating system on the same hard disk. If a hard disk has only one partition, the hard disk is usually called or designated as drive C. If there is only one partition, so it will be drive C. If the hard disk is divided into two partitions, the first partition is designated drive C and the second partition is designated drive D, and so on. Means more partitions you can increase it, like drive D, drive E, drive F, etc. Okay, next is defragmentation of hard drive. What is that? If your hard drive operates slowly, you may improve its performance by defragmenting the drive. You can check it. If your hard drive operates slowly, means each and every function is operating slowly. You are clicking but it is not responding, so you may improve its performance by defragmenting the hard disk. Fragmented, now what do you understand by fragmented and defragmentation? So listen, a fragmented hard drive stores parts of a file in many different locations. It stores parts of a file, means parts of one file in many different locations. To retrieve a file, means to open a file, the computer must access many areas of the drive to collect it. You can use a defragmentation program to place all parts of a file of single file in one location. So you understood what is fragmented hard drive? That is, it stores a file, every part of a file in many different locations, and with the help of defragmentation program we can place all parts of a file in one location. This reduces the time the hard drive spends locating the file. Okay, it will reduce the time. Whenever in fragmented hard drive, it need to collect the data, retrieve the parts of a file, and then it will show on the screen, it will display on the screen. But in defragmentation program, by defragmentation program, we can place all parts of a file in one location. This reduces the time and hard drive spends locating the file. Most operating systems have a fragmentation program that you can use. Okay, in next video I'll tell you about working of hard disk. That is all. Thank you.